This is the new B40. It offers all the features you'd expect from a flagship smartphone nowadays, while bringing innovative tech to the affordable segment with a price tag of just $299.99. The key feature here is the all-new Duo display technology, which NUU calls the Vista display. This is America's first dual AMOLED screen interface, which is both practical and beautiful. In this video, we'll see how useful that secondary screen really is, while also going over the phone's main specs, like cameras, software, Android 15, and everything it offers. So let's start by unboxing it and checking out what's inside the box. Well, on the box, it highlights the phone's main features, and the box itself is quite slim. Inside, NUU provides a complete package, a 33-watt charging adapter, a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some fun NUU stickers, a quick start guide, and a protective silicone case. That case is a nice bonus right out of the box. And of course, the star of the show, the NUU B45G itself. That's pretty much everything included. In the hand, the phone feels sleek and modern, staying true to NUU's theme of affordable luxury. The body design is slim, lightweight, weighs only 187 grams, and beautiful with a clean and innovative look. The color finish is tasteful and adds to the overall premium feel. It's clearly designed to look good while remaining practical. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and the power button. There's a microphone on the top edge of the phone. At the bottom, you get the Type-C charging port, and right next to it, the SIM tray. This tray supports 2 SIM cards but does not allow storage expansion. And finally, the speaker. Here's an audio sample of how it sounds. Now, the real highlight is on the back, the Vista display trademark integrated into the camera module. This is a 1.6-inch secondary AMOLED display, your always-on window to what matters most. It handles smart notifications, cues, and real-time feedback, like showing your notifications. You can swipe left or right on the Vista display to switch between apps such as camera, music, and compass, all without turning on the main display. From the settings, you can customize the mini screen, change the dial style. There are 10 options now, and they look great. Check the date, time, step count, and battery percentage. You can also adjust the screen timeout and backlight level from 1 to 8. I've enabled the option where flipping the phone from front to back lights up the secondary screen, and you can even double tap it to turn it on or off. The rear screen acts as a viewfinder, letting you use the superior 64-megapixel main sensor to take selfies. This allows you to capture stunning shots with sharper detail and clearer focus than the standard front camera. The NUU B45G is powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery. This capacity is excellent for a phone in this segment and provides great all-day power. It supports 33-watt fast charging using the included adapter, so topping up is quick. Now let's turn the phone over and talk about the screen we'll actually use most of the time. The NUU B45G comes with a large 6.8-inch curved FHD plus AMOLED display, which gives a premium feel and is sharp and vibrant for anything you want to do, like content consumption or social media use. What really makes the phone feel premium though is the 120Hz refresh rate. You'll need to turn it on manually. In the settings, once you turn on the 120Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling through the OS to games that support it feels much smoother. This definitely helps maximize that large, vibrant display. Other specs include a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Octa-Core processor, clocked up to 2.6 GHz. In other words, it's a solid mid-range chip that can handle most daily tasks. Thanks to 8 GB of RAM, which can be extended with 6 GB of virtual RAM, I feel like I can push the device a bit further, especially during gaming. Playing PUBG on this device runs surprisingly well for a $300 phone. Looking at the software, I am pleasantly surprised by how clean the OS is. It's running Android 15, and typically budget devices include a lot of extra bloatware. Here we have a mostly stock version of Android with just a handful of additional features. There are no duplicate apps or unnecessary extras, except for a small handful like Google Gemini AI, an FM radio app, voice recorder, compass, and a shortcut to the view support page. Everything else uses Google's apps. For example, the gallery is Google Photos, the file manager is the stock Google app, and you're expected to use Google services for messages, contacts, and more. The launcher is also mostly stock. There isn't much in terms of customization, but again, it's clean and free of bloat. On the back, the NUU B45G is equipped with a camera setup featuring a high-resolution 64 megapixel main sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor. And on the front, you get a 16 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. I will show you some real-world samples so you can see how these cameras perform. I'm recording this video from the front camera of NUU B40, which is 16 megapixel at 1080p FHD. This is the result you get from the front camera. I'm walking slowly, so this is the walking result. Let me show you the running result. This is the running result from the front camera. So now you know the video quality from the front camera. Actually, while video recording from the front camera, you can zoom in to 2x. This is 2x and this is 1x. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera of NUU B40, from the back camera, which is 64 megapixel main camera, and it only offers 2K. It does not offer 4K. So this is 1x. The result looks pretty nice. Not bad. The colors very vibrant, right? And let me show you the zoom. This is 1x, this is 2x. Wow. And it can zoom till 4x, so 4 times zoom. Wow. 1x, 2x, 4x. I can see clearly. Okay, so this is the walking result and this is the running result. Okay, that was the running result. The kids are playing with me. So you can also do vlogging from the back camera, and I haven't attached any external microphone for recording the video, so the audio comes directly from this phone.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every day.
The new B45G is a solid, well-rounded phone for $299.99. It feels a premium with its sleek design, vibrant 6.8-inch AMOLED display, and the useful Vista display TM. Performance is smooth for daily tasks and gaming, the battery lasts all day, and Android 15 keeps the software clean and simple. If you're looking for a budget phone that delivers real flagship-like features, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.